welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys some more cleaning motivation. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to start off by clearing off the table and putting all the dishes by the sink. I currently don't have a dishwasher, so I am washing all of my dishes by hand, which is really unfortunate. I hate doing it that way. I haven't always had a dishwasher, but when I finally did get a dishwasher, it was a real game changer. So, but that's okay. I'm going to be getting it installed pretty soon, and so I can just deal with having to wash the dishes by hand. But right now I'm just clearing off this area, this dining area, cleaning off the table, and just picking everything up. Now I'm moving on to the kitchen. I am picking up all the toys that my babies like to bring over here, and I'm clearing off their little table and sweeping up all the mess that's underneath it. Now I am going to work on cleaning this nasty looking door. We eventually want to change this door out. For those of you that do not know, we recently moved into this house and we are fixing it up slowly. And so that is one thing that we want to do, is change the door out. But for right now, I'm just going to clean it and make it look nice. Now I am clearing off these countertops. They were full of just random things. I don't even know what happened or how this happened, but this tends to happen a lot. I don't know why. So here I'm just picking up around the trash can, just putting everything where it belongs. So eventually what we want to do, or what I want my husband to do, is knock this wall down and put like a kitchen island right there, so that way this can all be like an open space and I can see behind this wall. I can see behind it, but it would be a whole lot more easier if this wall wasn't there. So hopefully in the near future, when we start working on the kitchen, we'll be able to do that, or my husband will be able to do that for me.
Everywhere you go.
So I have a really big wet stain on my pants, and I didn't want to change them just because I'm going to wash the dishes and I know my pants are going to get wet again. So I just left them on, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I realized that there's a stain on my pants. So now I'm getting ready to wash the dishes. I am clearing off this area because this is where I'm going to place the dishes so that way they can dry. And so I'm clearing off the area and putting all the dishes that were left on here away. I'm going to give this area a little wipe down. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's and the lavender scent. This is the first time that I've used this product, and I really like it. It smells really good. I haven't smelled any of the other ones, so I can't really compare it to anything else, but I'm really enjoying it. So I recently had a baby, and that's why there are a lot of dishes piled up, because I've been neglecting my house just a little bit. I've been more focused on taking care of my family and not worrying about the housework as much, but it's time to start getting back into a routine and getting things in order again. So now I am going to clean my stove. It is really, really dirty. I am going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to scrape all the food that's on top of the stovetop off. But here's my son. I'm going to take a little break because he woke up and it's time to feed him. So I am doing both nursing him and I am pumping milk for him. And so today I decided to pump so that way I could feed him without having him on me all day long, because if I don't, I won't be able to get anything done. He'll just want to be latched on to me, and I really had to get things done today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.